Warning! This video contains strong language. If you do not like strong language, do not watch. So I stated these two products in my previous video, and I wanted to show you guys in this video of how this stuff actually works for taking off Milscale so effortlessly. So this green label right here, muriatic acid, it is for cleaning pools, cleaning up cement, I don't know, but I used it to take off Milscale. This green label right here is amazing. I definitely recommend for both products to use a mask, and it will give you the same result. However, the red one, I had to step away a couple times because the odor was so strong that I was starting to get really dizzy. So use caution, protect yourself, as these chemicals are super strong. That's all I can really say about those. But if you're really wanting to get Milscale off with any effort, these here are your babies. I never mentioned the solution in this video, but what I did use was hydrogen peroxide. I used vinegar and I used salt. So the hydrogen peroxide to rust the middle is basically to speed up the process, but the more vinegar that you put inside of the solution, the rustier it's going to be. The salt basically just gives it that character look. At least for me it does. Other people might be different. Alright guys, here is the final product of the knife litter that I had. It is a fence that's going in a front yard, and the client is coming to pick it up. I'm going to give you guys a full view of it right now. And then the other side, which is still drying. So there you go.